Hey Geek, so I've been a creator here on YouTube for a little over 10 years now, and today I'm going to be giving you some non-expert advice. So what do I mean by that? Well, I think for a lot of us, before the advent of the internet and platforms like YouTube, this whole idea of creating something that people could see all around the world was pretty much monumental, because back then you'd have to have millions of dollars to actually do this typically, especially if you wanted to broadcast worldwide. And for most people back then, you need to have years and years of specialization, degrees, certifications. There was a lot to do something like this. And so for people who grew up in the internet age, I think y'all are really spoiled, because you have so many things available to you even from your smartphone, which is pretty amazing. But now that I've actually gone through this whole process myself, I've realized that for a lot of people out there who want to be creators, whether it's on YouTube or any other platform on the internet, this whole idea of being a non-expert is something that's normal. Because I think for a lot of us, we're just normal people learning these things as we go, and eventually you'll grow to have expertise in certain areas, and then some people truly become experts and masters of their craft. And that's something that I always aspire to. But at the same time, I really don't feel that this whole idea of being an expert, being certified, having certifications, degrees, and all this stuff, it doesn't matter when it comes to this world of creators. Because here, you're not being graded on test scores and whatnot. In this case, you're being graded by the real world, what people think in the real world. And so I think this is a better measurement of how good you are with the things that you're learning here, and most importantly, whatever you're creating and the value you're providing to the world. So those are my quick thoughts from a non-expert on this whole world of creators. If you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.